Okay, everybody, here's an update. You can see, if you look right there in the middle, I have got the new expansion valve in. So yes, it can be done. Now, a couple details. First of all, getting those O-rings, those old O-rings off, that was a little challenging, except I made a tool. I made a little O-ring pick, and here's what it looks like. Now, I made this out of a piece of plastic. This is actually one of those really big cable tie kind of ties that you see for refrigeration, air conditioning systems. So this is a big strip of nylon, and you can kind of see how thick it is. And I cut that just with a pair of heavy scissors, and I made a pick, and I got up under each of the O-rings and then pulled them off. And I used plastic so that the aluminum around the sealing surfaces wouldn't get scratched. And also, everybody knows, right? Put a little of that PAG oil on. In fact, what I did is just put a few drops in the O-ring bag that came with the valve, so they were all good and wet when I put them on there. I put a little bit of PAG oil in the mechanism of the expansion valve just to get that thing started, because I don't want that thing locking up. And so if you're looking carefully at this, you can see the only thing I got to do is put those two bolts in, and this guy is done. So yes, it can be done without taking your whole dash apart. It can be done without taking the whole blower apart. You just got to get one part out of here, pull a few wire harnesses, and just be pretty good with your arms and be nice and patient. So there it is, and I'll show you the rear here maybe pretty soon.